What's going on, friends? Yes, we are back. It has been probably over a year since we came back on this channel. I am really sorry for anyone who has commented on videos since then. I have not looked at any of them. I've not logged on because just never really had the need to. We are going to be posting a lot more consistently now because we have a lot in the works, a lot going on. Things got very slow last year. We ended up going through this whole process of selling off everything, and our numbers are inactive currently. We do plan on transporting again soon, just we are not currently right now. A little bit of a rough year. It was definitely slow and a learning experience, just basically. So right now Jim has his LLC and I have my LLC, but we're going to seem to work way better as a team. We're more successful as a team. So we will be doing things together in the garage and, you know, everywhere that we go through with whatever we're doing, it's going to be together as a team. We also just recently got married, so it's even more of a team. And I will show you what we're working on today. And yeah, let's just jump right in. Like that quick little video. I'll definitely be adding more information as we go along, and there's gonna be a lot more content coming as well. So like, subscribe, hit that bell. All right guys, see you in the next one. Bye.
I did not.
What are we doing right now?
Working.
We're working? Working where?
The garage.
Yeah, working in the garage.
Yeah. That's it.
That's it?
Yeah.